Top 6 diesel truck engines that just won't quit. Diesel engines, the backbone of the trucking world, are built to haul heavy loads, clock in hundreds of thousands of miles, and keep running long after others have been sent to the scrapyard. Today, we're diving into the top 5 diesel truck engines that have earned a reputation for legendary reliability and unstoppable durability. These powerhouses of torque and efficiency have defined their eras, proving themselves on highways, job sites, and farms. Number 6. Cat 3406E 14.6L. If you've ever heard a big rig roar down the highway, there's a good chance it was powered by a Cat 3406E. This 14.6L inline-six monster was built by Caterpillar, the same company that makes some of the toughest industrial equipment on Earth. Why it's one of the best diesel engines ever made. Heavy checkmark unstoppable power. With up to 600 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque, this engine was built for hauling extreme loads. Heavy checkmark simple and easy to work on. A mechanically controlled unit injection system meant fewer failures compared to newer electronic heavy engines. Heavy checkmark million-mile durability. Many Cat 3406E engines have reached 1 million miles, with some still running strong after multiple rebuilds. The Cat 3406E was phased out in the mid-2000s, but it remains one of the most sought-after diesel truck engines for old-school truckers and diesel enthusiasts. Police car light pro tip: regular oil changes and keeping the cooling system in check will keep this beast alive for decades. Number 5. Ford's 6.7L Power Stroke V8. Ford's 6.7L Power Stroke V8, introduced in 2011, is the newest contender on the list, but don't let that fool you. It's a beast. Why it's a game-changer. Heavy checkmark reverse flow design. The turbo sits in the valley, with exhaust manifolds inside. This improves efficiency, reduces turbo lag, and enhances cooling. Heavy checkmark massive power output. The latest models churn out 500 horsepower and a staggering 1,200 lb-ft of torque. Heavy checkmark towing powerhouse. Ford's Super Duty lineup equipped with the 6.7L can haul up to 40,000 pounds with the right setup. Like any new engine, the early versions had their fair share of issues, but Ford quickly refined the design. Today, owners rave about its smooth power delivery and impressive towing capabilities. The 6.7L Power Stroke has firmly established itself as one of the most dependable modern diesel engines. Number 4. Ford's 7.3L Power Stroke, International T444E. The 7.3L Power Stroke, produced from 1994 to 2003, is a true legend in the diesel world. Built by Navistar International, this mechanical masterpiece became one of Ford's most beloved diesel engines. Why it's a legend. Heavy checkmark simple, tank-like durability, built to withstand extreme conditions with minimal electronic components. Heavy checkmark mechanical injection system. No fancy electronics to fail, just pure, old-school diesel engineering. Heavy checkmark long lifespan. With proper maintenance, 500,000 plus miles is easily achievable. While its 275 horsepower and 525 lb-ft of torque may seem modest by today's standards, its reliability is unmatched. Many of these engines are still humming along with odometers that look like phone numbers. Best of all, repairs are straightforward. No need for a degree in computer engineering, just a solid set of tools and some good old-fashioned wrenching skills. This engine is like a classic rock song. It may not have all the high-tech features of modern hits, but it has staying power that newer engines can only dream of. Number 3. DurDuramax 6.6L V8. Introduced in 2001, the DurDuramax 6.6L V8 became the heart of GM's heavy-duty trucks. Over the years, it's evolved through multiple generations, with each version bringing more power and refinement. Why it's a top performer. Heavy checkmark proven durability. The LB7, LLY, LBZ, LMM, LML, and L5P have all contributed to the DurDuramax legacy. Heavy checkmark massive power increases. The latest version cranks out 470 horsepower and 910 lb-ft of torque. Heavy checkmark the LBZ Holy Grail, produced from 2006 to 2007. This version is highly sought after because it balances power with reliability before stricter emissions controls were added. GM hasn't rested on its laurels. Each new version of the DurDuramax has improved weak points and boosted durability. While early models had injector issues, GM quickly fixed the problems. With proper maintenance, the DurDuramax 6.6L can easily reach 400,000 plus miles, making it a favorite among hardworking truck owners and diesel enthusiasts. Number 2. Cummins 6.7L Turbo Diesel. If power and longevity are what you want, the Cummins 6.7L Turbo Diesel, introduced in 2007, delivers both in spades. This inline-six beast has been a cornerstone of Ram's heavy-duty trucks for over 15 years. Why it dominates the road. Heavy checkmark monstrous torque. The latest version boasts 420 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 1,075 lb-ft of torque. Heavy checkmark built for the long haul. Many Cummins 6.7L engines easily surpass 500,000 miles with regular maintenance. Heavy checkmark legendary towing capability. When properly equipped, Ram trucks with this engine can tow up to 35,000 pounds. Early versions had some emissions control issues, but Cummins engineers refined the design over the years, making it one of the most reliable diesel engines ever made. From hauling heavy equipment to pulling campers on cross-country road trips, the 6.7L Cummins can do it all. It's like a Swiss Army knife, if that knife could pull a 35,000-pound trailer. Number 1. Cummins 5.9L 12-valve, 6BT, turbo diesel. At the top of the list sits the undisputed king of diesel truck engines, the Cummins 5.9L 12-valve 6BT. This mechanical masterpiece, produced from 1989 to 1998, is the benchmark against which all other diesel engines are measured. Why it's the GOAT? Heavy checkmark, pure mechanical simplicity. No computers, no electronics. Just a bulletproof inline-six design. Heavy checkmark built to last forever. Many 5.9L Cummins engines have surpassed 750,000 miles, with some even crossing 1 million miles. Heavy checkmark indestructible fuel system. The Bosch P70-100 injection pump is famous for its reliability and tuning potential. Back in the early 90s, this engine was churning out 215 horsepower and 440 lb-ft of torque, which was impressive for the time. But the real magic? It's easily tunable. With basic upgrades, this engine can push out over 500 horsepower while still being reliable. The 5.9L Cummins isn't just an engine, it's a legend. It powered Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks, many of which are still on the road today. It's not perfect, it's loud, unrefined, and not the most fuel efficient. But for durability, longevity, and reliability, nothing beats it. Final thoughts. Which diesel engine would you choose? These 5 diesel engines have stood the test of time, proving that great engineering and proper maintenance can make a truck engine last almost forever. Would you take the modern power of the Ford 6.7L Power Stroke or the old-school brute strength of the Cummins 5.9L 12-valve? Let us know in the comments. Speech Balloon, share your diesel truck stories below, and don't forget to subscribe for more truck content. Articulated lorry dashing away.